All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be looking at cases for the iPhone 16. Now, I've been using multiple cases from Rinky, and I wanted to go ahead and show you them here in this video. I've already shown you the tempered glass installation for this phone, so be sure to check that out. The privacy glass is where it's at. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So the Fusion X. This is the Fusion X in clear. Obviously, you know I've shown this to you in camo before as well. Depending on which color you want to get, that's going to be up to you. But this is the Fusion X with the clear setup. This is probably one of their more grippier, more rugged style cases that they have. So even with that said, it's still not bulky or just overly done. It's actually really solid. So on the back here, as you can see, this is the clear version, and you can see the cutout here for the new camera button that Apple has added. And Rinky has done a good job of sloping this out for easy functionality on all of their cases, which I'm happy to say because I've used a couple of them since getting this phone. And there's grip all along this entire edge of this phone. I mean, there's grip everywhere, all the corners, the edges, the power button, the action button. The volume up key is nicely textured with 3 dots, letting you know you're pressing up, and then down is smooth. You have a lip protection around here, even though I do have the Rinky tempered glass on there. If you didn't have the glass on there and you laid this down flat, you should be okay with the screen being protected, but do pick up that screen protector. I think it's going to be a must for you. So these cases do work with wireless charging. Most cases that are just all plastic, they will work with wireless charging. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this now. As you can see there, it is charging. And that's the theme for all these plastic cases that you'll see. They all work with wireless charging. So if you're looking for a bit more drop protection and you want protection on the corners, you like the camera being deeply recessed or really heavily protected around there, this is probably going to be the case for you. This is the Rinky Fusion X line, because you get this extra feet right here to help keep it stable and flat. So it kind of creates a slope on the top area. So if you're one of those people who texts with your phone on the table, this might be good for you. So I'm going to pop this off here, and this is how you pretty much take off a lot of cases these days. You just put it in your hand sideways, push on both corners, and you should be fine. So the Fusion X is really nice. But another one that they have is the Onyx. Now I think this is probably their most popular case. It has got to be, and you can also get these in MagSafe as well. I showed you that with the other device. With the Pro lineup, you can get this in MagSafe compatibility too, but the Onyx is got to be probably one of their #1 selling cases. I would say it's that good, and it's just something that people like, a solid, smooth, grippy, ultra thin case that still has a lot of protection. So let's put this on here, and again, since my phone is white, you can really see it's pronounced with the sloping of the camera button. Really nice, no accidental presses or anything. And you've got your power button covered here, action button, volume key, a little bit of branding there, and obviously you have these spots for lanyards on pretty much all of their cases. Make sure all the ports and everything are cut out. Now this phone case right here, it does have lip protection. It's just a little raised corners on there. So subtle you wouldn't even tell, but you can lay it down flat like that and it will in fact protect the screen. And I'll do it anyway, even though I know it works. Wireless charging does work with this case. Some people might need a confirmation, but there you go. So the Onyx obviously is one of the more popular cases, but then you have the other Fusion lineup. So if you're a person that wants MagSafe, this might be a case for you. And remember, when you hit the link in the description, you can choose any color combination, anything you want. They have got it all for you, trust me. So this is for the person that wants MagSafe. And the reason this case right here should really look good is because my phone is white. So let's pop it open here. And now we're gonna go ahead and peel these off. If you've been rocking with Rinky long enough, you remember when they did not have these pull tabs, and it was a mess. So let's clean off the back of our phone briefly. Always clean your phone off before you're putting it in a case too, especially if it's a clear case. You're gonna see everything if it's a clear case, if you got some dirt or something in there. So pull tabs in full effect here. Not too gratifying on that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide this in so I don't put any dirt or dust in there, and then I'll peel off the back. And yeah, this looks pretty good. I don't know how it would look with any other colors, but this is a thicker material on this one. That looks great. That looks really good. wow, this might be one that I rock. I didn't know. I didn't try this one out yet. I've been wearing these two. So this might be a go. I really like this. And I say that based on the next case I'm getting ready to show you. The last and final case I'm going to show you here in just a second. You're going to say, oh, I can see why he said it might be a go. I'm a little biased when it comes to that material. But this is clear, and this is MagSafe. So it does work. And I'll just pop this on here, show you. My old battery pack, this thing has gotten some use. But it does work with any kind of oh shoot, come on off the thing. It's a tough magnet. It does work with any kind of MagSafe products. I have MagSafe in my car, in my office, in my bedroom. I have it everywhere. So I just pop the phone on. Now again, the camera is going to be deeply recessed. This is a rugged style case, but it's a smooth. It doesn't look like it's a rugged case, but in fact, this is drop protection. All of these cases are drop protection tested, and they all have a little front corners on there so you can lay it down flat. Yeah, this is just what it is. The difference with this Fusion case is there's no foot over here pronounced like on the X. It's a little foot here, little foot here, little foot here, but you still might get that rocking if you're one of those texting people on tables. But nonetheless, it is still highly protected, heavily protected, and it's really nice. So you've got a nice cutout for the camera there. This is a clear case, so depending on which color you have, you're really going to enjoy this one. So yes, it works with wireless charging. Now, this is the packaging that their cases come in. This is their standard packaging. And this is the Fusion for the iPhone 16, but it is the matte clear. And that's why I said, man, I'm in a pickle here. I can go ahead and put a MagSafe ring in there if I wanted to. But man, this is really nice. You do have the eco-friendly packaging, recycled paper, and then you just tear along here, you pop it out, and then you have your case. Just like that. So you can peel the back off here. Let me get this one off here, and I'll try this one on. Because see, the back of the iPhones this year are all frosted, which is really, really sweet. So we're gonna pop this case on here. These have the gratifying pull to them. That's just what it is. This will probably be the one, folks. The matte frosted look is just my thing. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. This doesn't need a MagSafe ring. This is a beautiful frost, and the phone is frosted, so it really takes it on and really does well with it. So wanted to show you all of these cases, man. They all pretty much follow the same format, with the exception of the Fusion X with the bigger hips on it per se and the big feet on the back. But I think I'll leave it in this case. I'm really digging this. Oh man, I knew I was gonna put that frost on and feel some type of way. But all the cases here, they look great, man. And I think Rinky is going to always be on something with all their lineup. The Onyx is super popular. The Fusion lineup is super popular. And then they added the MagSafe ring in there, which made it even more popular. The Fusion X, obviously the more popular one, is the camo version. I know that's something that people really enjoy. And then you have the frosted version here. So I'm super excited about the frosted version. And I think I'm going to go ahead and leave my phone in there. I can't take it out. It's so beautiful. But all drop protection. All keep your phone, they'll all keep your phone nice and safe, and they all look good. So depending on what color combination you go with, I think you got to hit either way. Shout out to Rinky for sending over all the cases and tempered glasses for this phone. And I appreciate you. Use the links in the description and you'll get a nice discount. Probably on sale right now. These cases stay on, so they're not affordable. You can probably buy all of these right here and rotate between the two, or between all of them. You can buy 10 of these cases sometimes for the price of one case. Yeah, it's like that sometimes out here in this case world. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.